Okay, before we move on with the video, I do have something that I think is really important for me to mention. Obviously, my eating habits and all the food that I eat is what works with my body and my lifestyle. It doesn't mean that it's gonna work with you. Everybody is different. We have different body types, different physique, different lifestyle, living environment, and it's all gonna determine what we eat. So I just really want to be upfront and honest with you guys because I do read my comments. This video is very requested, and I also know some of you who wants to know my diet or what I eat, thinking that if you eat the same as me, you might be able to achieve the same body shape that I am. I know that, and I don't want to mislead you. This is not the case. I've always been naturally skinny, and it's honestly impossible for me to really gain a lot of weight no matter what I eat. So I just eat whatever I want whenever I feel hungry. I think I eat relatively healthy, but I would definitely treat myself. If I crave something or my body wants me to eat something, I will eat it. Please keep that in mind. I know these videos can be harmful to some people, so I just really want to make that clear. Please don't ever starve yourself. If you're hungry, it means that your body needs food. Your body loves you. It's your home, so please treat your body kindly. So yeah, don't follow what I eat. I just hope that this video might give you some recipe ideas, but nothing more than that. Yeah, we're all different. Do your own research and eat what your body needs. So yeah, I hope you're all healthy and happy. Also, please be mindful before you comment something about what I eat, because you don't know me, you don't know my life, my workload, my body. Commenting and analyzing somebody's diet or lifestyle can be very harmful, and even if it's not directly to me, it might be harmful for some other people reading in the comments. So be mindful of that. Thank you, and let's move on with the video. Just finished my workout and I took a shower, so now I'm getting kind of hungry and I got a snack. Yesterday I found vegan yogurt. I'm so excited because this is like the first time that I found vegan yogurt in my 5 years of being vegan. I'm not vegan anymore. I started eating eggs last year, so I guess I'm vegetarian, but I still don't eat dairy. And vegan yogurt is so hard to find here. When I first went vegan here, we literally can't find anything. Like, people weren't even really understand the concept of being vegan and not consuming dairy or eggs, so you can't really find anything here. And then over the years the market grew and I could find vegan cheese here and there, like only a few, but vegan yogurt is so hard to find. It was basically impossible. I literally looked online everywhere, every store, and I couldn't even find anything. But yesterday I went to the grocery store and I found vegan yogurt. I'm excited but also scared at the same time because I haven't eaten yogurt in basically over 5 years. So yeah, I'm kind of scared. It really smells like yogurt. It's made from coconut as well, so not soy, which is really rare because most things here are made with soy. And this is like a Vietnamese brand as well. But yeah, I'm so scared. I don't know if I'm ready for this. But if this is good, this is literally gonna be like life-changing for me.
How is it?
It is good.
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh.
It has the coconut taste. Wanna try? It really tastes like yogurt, right?
Would be good with like honey or something.
Or like muesli.
Mm.
It definitely tastes more like Greek yogurt than regular yogurt, which is amazing. I love Greek yogurt. I used to eat it all the time for breakfast. Wow. I saw that they have like vanilla and chocolate and other flavors, so I might try that, but I still really like the regular flavor the most. I really didn't eat a lot of flavored yogurt back then anyways. Okay, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna make some stir-fried veggies and some fried tofu, and I'm gonna eat it with some rice. I'm Asian. I grew up in Vietnam, so rice is like a staple in all of my meals. I eat rice for lunch and dinner pretty much every day. I just can't live without rice. And I also eat a lot of tofu. I know that it's like not the best for you because of all the soy, but I love tofu so much. I can eat it every day, and I do eat it a lot. So I'm gonna make tofu. Also, my cooking skill is kind of limited. I only know how to make like a couple of things. I do order food a lot. So I'm gonna cut up some tofu, I'm gonna fry it, and then I'm gonna cook it in this tamarind sauce that my mom made. She like rocked up at my house with 3 bottles of those sauce because it's like my most favorite sauce ever. You can only kind of get it at restaurants and it go with crab or seafood, so I can't really eat that a lot now. Back when I was a kid, I used to eat that like every weekend. So it's my favorite sauce ever, and my mom made the best version. Most people don't eat it with the tofu, but I really like that sauce, so I kind of just eat it with whatever. Okay, so I just chopped up all the tofu. I'm gonna put it in the pan, and then I have some bell peppers and bok choy that I'm gonna stir fry. I'm gonna let the tofu get brown. Also cooked up some rice before in my rice cooker, so that's ready to go. Okay, so I've been neglecting my journal. I haven't really written in about 2 or 3 weeks now, and yeah, I just really want to get back into it because I feel like I just have so many different thoughts in my head, like they're all really messy in there. I just feel like I need to organize them somewhere, and then some thoughts I feel like it's good for me to just release them and not keep them in my head. Also, the past 2 weeks there has been a lot of things happening in my life. I went and traveled with my friends and had a lot of fun. I have a lot of opportunities coming, so I kind of just want to express my gratitude towards the universe, just to kind of really think about what I've achieved and be really grateful. So I also set out some new intentions for the next month. Write down my feelings. I don't know.